Yeah, I'm also looking for the CV, and that's a good point from Valentine, that interview tips and
Yeah,
how you satisfy your interviewer mostly. So here we have the different type of interviews. They are talking about the scenarios, that if you are in some scenario and what you have to do, what would be your approach. So if you can advise us like that, so that would be a
sure.
great help.
Yeah, what I will do in the next session, I will prepare, some slides for the CV enhancement and interview preparation tips, and we'll work on some examples over there. So this is going to help you guys, to enhance your CVs and to go in interviews with more confidence.